One of the things that really makes your vehicle look old are when the headlights get cloudy. And this is something that naturally just happens when you park the car outside and the sun hits the lights. Since the headlights are made of acrylic, the sun will hit it and then it'll oxidize. It'll turn a little bit yellow and it just makes the vehicle look really old. And there's a really easy fix for this. You don't need any kind of special equipment. You just need a good microfiber cloth and you just need Meguiar's PlastX. And this is one way just to rejuvenate the look of your car. And I've been using this product for years on my vehicles. It keeps my 2005 Nissan Frontier looking brand new. And I use it on my Honda Ridgeline. I use it on my wife's Lexus, her old Lexus RX 300, and her new Lexus RX 350. And here's a Toyota Prius. And these are really large headlights. I wanted to use this vehicle to demonstrate this for you. You simply put the PlastX on a microfiber cloth, and then you apply it onto the headlight. You don't want to let it dry on the headlight, so just wet it. And then you want to come back with another microfiber cloth and rub it rigorously. If the headlights haven't been cleaned in a while, you may have to reapply it and do a second treatment. But if you do this every 2 or 3 weeks to the headlights, you're going to rejuvenate them and bring them back to looking brand new. And this will take years off the look of your car. It's just one simple thing you can do to rejuvenate your vehicle. And it's definitely something you want to do, especially if you have a business and you want to make a good first impression. The first thing the customer is going to see is your vehicle pulling up, and they're going to look at the headlights, and they're going to be able to tell the age of the truck basically by the headlights. But with this product, you can definitely rejuvenate your headlights. So give PlastX a shot. I think it's a great product. I'm not being paid for this. I've just been using this product for years, and I really love the results. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.